Hey guys, I am back. Let's go. How's you been, guys? I know it's been long. I've been 2 days without uploading. Really bad. What happened to the consistency? But here to get better. So let's go into the chart. Straight into the charts. No shit talking. Today, even though my bias was bullish and the market, I committed a mistake. My bias was bullish when it should have been bearish. But I'm still developing my bias. It's been very good, my bias. But it's when the price is bearish, I have to know when to identify that. So uh, yeah, I commit a mistake. But even though my bias was was bullish, and price was bearish, I was able to take a trade. One trade got stopped break even, and then I got another trade. But my first trade that I stopped at break even ended up hitting my TP. So I'm very happy with this model. I learned with my bias, everything. I'm very happy. It's been working out great. So yeah, even though my bias was bullish, I still I still could. Damn, I hate this. I still got a trade to the fuck, dude. Damn. Oh my god. Finally, now this shit is so open. Every video is more open, bro. Fuck. Whatever. Let's go into the chart. Say whatever I say, and yeah. So my bias for today wasn't the best, but I catch a good trade. So I'm not gonna cry over that. So let's go into today. This is Friday, 13 June, and I see already a red icon. Michigan Awesome. Oh my god, I hate the news. Hate the news. This week in live trading, it's been so bad because of the news. Price action has been sucking so much. So news at 10. I gotta wait for 10 to trade. And then, alright, let's go to the 4 hour. I'm in daily. Now I start with the daily, but it's just to look for fair value gaps. And they're not. They're no fair value gaps. Da, 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 da. This one got banned. No fair value gaps in the daily. So let's go ahead and go to the 4 hour. So, what are we respecting? What are we disrespecting? So, so let's see. Have we tapped into equilibrium in the 1 hour? The 4 hour. Yes, here you tapped into equilibrium, reacted, and then let me see. Yeah, all these moves just disrespect equilibrium. So yeah, we just disrespect these fair value gaps in the. So, I can see that this fair value gap here was holding price, but they just got disrespected. This fair value gap here just got disrespected. So yeah, I'm gonna have to be bearish for the day. So let's go into it. 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour same stuff. Even though we're respecting this fair value gap, then I'll leave it. Yeah, tricky bias, very tricky bias. But I mean, we're respecting this 1 hour order block. But I mean, in the 4 hour we disrespect, and then well, we could go bearish. I mean, bullish. So I'm gonna leave it here. I mean, very tricky, very tricky. Okay, so pretty much today in the live market was almost the same bias, but the thing is, price was more extended than this. But for now, this big ass candle down and the closure here, and then the closure here, I believe we're bearish. I would say we're bearish. And then I mean, could be wrong, but I mean, let's see if this 1 hour fair value gap holds. If not, then I could say that we're gonna be bullish. So I think all depends on where price decides to go. If it decides to go up here, then I don't think this fair value gap will hold price, but I'm just gonna mark it anyway. But yeah, let's see if price respect this 1 hour fair value gap, whatever, you know, all that stuff. So let's go into it. Let's go mark sessions highs and lows. London 3 to 5. So right here it's London low. We'll mark it with the line. London lows right there. Take it like that, better. Okay, and then Asia high. 20, so right here. So yeah, this low, yeah. This is Asia session lows. And then this is also previous day low. So yeah, let's go into the 15-minute. So I'm not gonna look at the I'm not gonna look at the 1 hour for rally app. I'm gonna be looking for this 5-minute, and then well, I know this is a 15-minute, but I'm gonna mark the 5-minute on field just in case, and then we got this 5-minute in on field too. But I'm looking for this one though. No way. Okay, so we got this 15-minute on field, and then there's a 5-minute. I don't know, this is a 5-minute. So I'm just going to delete that, and there's this 5-minute on field here. So if I'm bearish, I want to see the price target this fair value gap. I don't think it'll go for this one. Maybe it will, but I'm not looking for that though. Alright, so same fair value gap it's really weird. So yeah, same fair value gap in the 15-minute and 5-minute here. So let's see, we got this is previous day high, which I don't believe we could take. Yeah, not all time high, but previous day high. Save that. That's previous day high. And this is not straight. There you go. This is straight. This is not straight. Yeah, I want to leave this horizontally, but it's kind of hard. Oh wait, I wasn't using the magnet tool. They're straight. Okay. Okay, so let's see what price ends up doing. So I don't know if it will reach previous day high, but oh, let me mark. Oh, I gotta mark all this shit on ES, but it will be quick. Watch this. Copy. This is on the low right here. Asia low, previous day low. So I wanna go shorts and target this Asia session low. Honestly, that's what I wanna see. And really seeing stuff over here with well, we just tap into this 50 minutes, so we'll have to see. And then here, so we got these two fair value gaps over here, and the 5 minute it will look the same. Yeah. So we just tap into this 50 minute already on ES. Let's see if we can get a reaction of that. And the 5 minute too. So let's see what NQ does. I wanna see NQ tapped into it. So my bias for the day is gonna be this scenario. So I wanna see price going to this fair gap, and then give me a reaction towards London lows, and then Asia session lows, and then give me the inverse here, and then that's what I want to see really. Pretty much that, or maybe price want to push a little higher into this 5 minute, and then get the inversion towards low. That's what I want to see for my various bias. We could go higher. We got news at 10, but I think with this big 4-hour down candle, with this 4-hour down candle that disrespected all of this and the closure below this, and then yeah, I think if we were gonna be bullish, we would have respect this low. We didn't respect it, it just swept it. So yeah, I'm gonna be bearish on the day. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for retracing into this 5 minute, and then inversion, and then all that stuff, and then I gotta wait for 10 a.m. That sucks really, but well, let's see what price does. Okay. Let's go ahead. Let me put this full screen. Yeah, better. Let's go ahead and play this. Market is open. Big reaction. I gotta wait for 10 a.m. news. Okay, huge fair value gap here. Bullish fair value gap here, and then there's also this one. Then haven't touched this fair value gap here yet. So let's see if we can get the inversion of this 5 minute. So news are about to come out. Boom, news came out. No, not yet. Okay, let's see if it respected. So you just tap into, even though my bias is bearish, I could see price so even though I'm bearish, if this price came here into this 5 minute, which it did, it came into this 5 minute, and then we got an inversion. Is there a fair value gap? No fair value gaps. 4 minute of fair value gap. Whatever. However, 3 minutes there's a fair value gap here. So if it inverts this fair value gap, then I mean that's gonna tell me that it wanna go higher and sweep another liquidity before continuing to the downside. So let's go ahead and mark this fair value gap and see if it disrespected or respected. I don't think it'll respect it, but let's see. Okay. News just came out. All right. Huge candlestick to the downside. Oh, I gotta go back into the 5 minute fair value. I mean chart. Oh, I'm in the 5 minute already. So the thing is, oh, I didn't check for 15 minute on field. Yeah, so we have this 15 minute on field that we just stop right here. But let's see where did it tap it. So we could get a reaction still. Let's see what Bryson Love's doing. We could get a reaction of this. And then the thing is, yeah, if I want to wait, I mean, if I want to take a short, I will have to wait for this fair value gap to get inverse because we still have this 5-minute fair value gap. So let's see what price ends up doing. It just came to this 15-minute fair value gap. It just tapped into it. But yeah, with this huge candlestick. So let's see the biggest fair value gap here. 5-minute, no. 4-minute, no. 3-minute, there's no. Okay, there's a 3-minute here. The one I already marked. So let's see what price ends up doing. If it reverses or people want to do the upside. Okay, I'm sure now we're having a 5-minute fair value gap or something like that. Yeah, about to get it. Okay, 5-minute fair value gap here. Okay, so there's a 5-minute fair value there. Okay, if we invert this gap, then it could go. I mean, could go short now to these on the session lows. Just I'm bearish, but we gotta wait for the closure below this fair value gap. I mean, for below this fair value gap, and then yeah, if we can close above, then I'll go break even here because we just want this fair value gap in the 1 minute, 2-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute. Yeah, the thing is, I don't really like this fair value gap here. If we're gonna short, I want to see price getting to this fair value gap and then inverse. So let's see. Okay. So right now there's only two scenarios now. Price inverse this 5-minute and then goes to the downside, or respect this 5-minute and then go lower. Not any 15-minute yet. So yeah, my scenario, so we go here, respect this fair value gap and then go short, or then we disrespect this one and go long. That's pretty much my bias now. And it's looking like we're gonna go bearish. Okay, it's in the 5-minute. So where could I put my stop? So I'm bearish, so I'm gonna have to put my stop over here, and then target this London session lows, which could be this is going to be the 1-to-1, and yeah, I'm gonna target that. Let's see where the candlestick closes. Holy fuck. Okay, so yeah, the inversion of this fair value gap right here. Now I'm able to enter to shorts. Okay, so I could come here to the CISD and then get a better RR, but I think I'll just wait to a good fill point, like a 1-to-1 here. The thing is, I gotta move my stop then. The thing is, I see price coming into this 5-minute for sure, so but it could come to this 5-minute too. That's the thing. I don't really know here. I could enter right now and then target previous day low. I could. I want that to be my target of the day, but so what could it be? That 2 to 2.5 RR. I mean, it's just really far now. This Asian session lows. I mean, even though I'm bearish, this low are too far for me to like take a short there. So now, so I gotta take a trade to the downside for sure now. Where should I put my stuff? My stop. That's the thing. I believe, 5 minutes, 2 minutes. There's no order block. There's really nothing. 3 minutes. There's this order block, but if I enter here, shorts, you don't like. So yeah, myself have to be like. I don't really know. Oh, it's kind of tricky now. It's just with these fair value gaps here. This is kind of a very obvious draw. And let me see in the 1 minute. Maybe I could go under this swing low in the 1 minute, and then under this fair value gap. Under this order block here. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. But I'm gonna have to wait for price to retrace till here. I guess if I were here, I gotta wait. I'm gonna wait for price to retrace here. If not, then I won't be taking the trade. So let's go into the 1 minute. It's got the 5 minute inversion, and then yeah, I'm gonna put my stop over this fair value gap, and then yeah, not the best setup, so I'm gonna risk 0.5, safe, and then I'll go break even with this low right here. Break even right here, and then same for yes. Which yes is really close, so I don't like that. Let's go ahead and see if price going to retrace. Maybe I'll bring it a little bit higher. I get 2.0.7. Yeah, just a little bit over. I'm leave it there for the 2 to 2 R. So let's see if price want to go into that. If not, then I'll leave it cook. Okay, I'm in with shorts here. Stop over there. So let's see what price ends up doing. Fuck. Second stop in a long time. Yeah, it wasn't convincing at all. But I could take a short right now. But yeah, should have waited. So yeah, just something we learned. Something I learned. Should have waited if I have that fair value gaps on top and I want to short, then I have to wait for price to balance them. Because yeah, yeah, this was kind of really dumb, but I had to try, So yeah, but that's why I only risk 0.5. Now I can get a better setup and risk a little bit more. Okay, so just journal the trade. So now let's see if we can inverse this rally gap to go to the downside. To the upside, or let's see what price is going to do. Okay, just came into this. Oh, I didn't check for the 15 minute. Okay, so 15 minute for rally gap just got filled. Right here. Okay, and we just gain 5 minutes and 50 minutes the same high, so that's great. So I'm gonna go ahead and loop for the. Okay, this is the biggest for about, I don't know yet. This kind of, I mean. So we got a fair value gap in the 4 minute, 3 minute. There's a fair value gap too. I mean, in the 4 minute is your 1 minute candlestick to close. Just click once, boom. Okay, so we got this fair value gap here. Let's see if we can inverse this fair value gap in the 4 minute to see what price ends up doing. So just came there, and I mean it's about to inverse it. So I don't know. You sweat these lows. So there's no SMT right now. Came into this 50 minute, but I mean it's been respecting it. Let's see if it gives it. Okay, it's look like it's going to inverse. So now I can take longs, continuation longs. The thing is, with all this bullshit here, with all these fair value gaps, I don't really know if I should be taking a trade. I just commit the same mistake of taking a trade with all the fair value gaps over there. Wait, at the end it didn't inverse it, and then we got 1 more minute candle. Okay, so came here, respect the 5 minute and the 15 minute fair value gap, and yeah, I mean it's respecting it. So yeah, 5 minute, 15 minute. So yeah, it's respected. My bias is bearish, but I mean I don't really care about the bias. So let's see if we can close. Oh, we don't have a fair value gap yet. Oh yeah. I thought this is a fair value gap, man. I forgot. I mean, I have to wait for the body closure. So let's see, where do we have a fair value gap? In the 4 minute, there's a fair value gap here already. So let's check if we can invert this gap. And that's in the 5 minute. Okay, now in the 5 minute we got this fair value gap. Oh, I hate this. Okay, so tapped into this 15 minute fair value gap. Let's see if we can get an inversion. Okay, so we're going to inverse this 5 minute to the upside now, which is great. Wait, where am I? Okay, yeah, I just got lost. So let's see if we can close her now. If we're gonna finally disrespect this fair value gap here. So let's see if we're going to disrespect this fair value gap here, which it seems like. Okay, closure above. Now this is a very good trade. Now I can get a very good trade here. I stopped, kept me under this low because this low just came balance this fair value gap. So here, and then my target at the high, which is a fucking still very bad trade. Yeah, I'm gonna put my fill point here at the CISD. I just learned that today, and then under here. So this look like a very clean trade, really. I mean, 5 minute inspection, 5 minute inversion. I think that's a very clear sign of bullish order flow for me. And then I get I mean, yeah, we just balance this first action, so this one, I mean, price shouldn't come any closer here anymore. Of this trade, where is 0.7. I feel this is a plus setup. So let's see if we can get filled. Let's see if we hopefully could get filled. It's not looking like it. Nah, we're not gonna get filled. Mm-mm. What time is it? 11. Okay. Ah, we didn't get filled for. Oh my god. For nothing, dude. Ah, what a shame. Couldn't take the trade. So yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, my psychology today is really poor. Not gonna lie. I mean, very poor my psychology today. And then I mean, yeah. So. Fuck. Yeah, it's just I want to wait for a better RR. That's fine. That's fine. It's just yeah, my psychology right now is very poor. Absolutely shitty. My psychology right now, it's in this shit. Not gonna lie. So we time into this 50 minute, 5 minute for Valiga. Let's see if we can get a new version now. We'll have to wait for. Uh, there's no, there's not on field. Okay, there's this 5 minute for Valiga. Okay, so you have this on field 5 minute, so I could. And we just hop into this 50 minute, 5 minute. But I mean, price is looking bullish, at least for me. Let's see if any other time frame we got a fair value gap. So we got on field 5 minute. Let's see if I can get a reaction of this. If not, then I don't think I'll be good to take any trades now. 4 minute, no fair value gaps. 3 minute, no. 2 minute, no. 1 minute. I mean this one, but it's not looking really clear for me right now. But I mean, we just tapped into this 5 minute fair value gap, so maybe I could get a reaction of that. Let's see. 5 minute. Awesome. So we have this 5 minute fair value gap here on field, and then we got this 5 minute on field. I mean on field here. So let's see if we can inverse that. If not, then I don't think I'll take it enough. Price is going to continue higher and higher. Just came here. Balance is fair value gap, but I have to wait for this one to get inversed to take a trade to the other trade. I mean, yeah. Yeah, miss a trade on the day. My psychology is really bad. I really don't want to trade anymore. I didn't even want to back test, but it is what it is. Yeah, my psychology is really bad. 2 call-offs on the day. I'm gonna go do another trade for sure. So yeah, I lost $236. Awful. Oh my god, my psychology is really bad right now. Awful psychology right now. So you feel yeah, I mean I should have stopped trading when I missed that trade. That's not bad. Since I just want damn, I'm so stressed out right now. I'm so bro. Whatever. Like, let's go to the next day open and that's it. Next day open. Monday 16. And then no news Monday. And then 16, right? Yeah, so 16 and then retail and this is nothing to care about. So let's see. So 4 hour, if this shit can load, yeah, no. 4 hour. Yeah, this shit just got better. My PC just exploded, dude. Yeah, bro. What the fuck? Alright. This shit doesn't load. This is yeah. I mean, I'm super stressed out right now. Let me breathe. take it. I'm gonna hit a banger trade. I'm gonna be positive on the day, and I'm gonna go to the gym. That's what I'm planning to do. Let me breathe. I'm going to take a good trade. I'm going to take a very good trade. Awesome trade. I need a fucking new schema. Alright, I'm calm, I'm chill, whatever, I'm fine. And you know what? I'm also, you know what? I'm also bullish. We're delivering from the sell side. We're disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish. Right now we use this. Oh no, shit! I'm boogieing right now. Well, I mean, we're delivering from the sell side right now. In the 1 hour. So I don't know what the fuck happened here. But I mean, so yeah, I'm on the 4 hour. I'm bullish. Leaning towards the sell side. This parabolic gap had no effect. So right now it's like there's no existing. The only thing that exists is this previous day high. Previous day high. I mean no. I'm just gonna mark like a intermediate high. No less than Tino. So yeah, this is internal high and then all-time highs. All-time highs right here. Pero qué posición. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and mark this out. Mark this out. So yeah, I'm bullish on the day. I do want to combat the losses, so if I see a good setup, then I can take it. So we're bullish. I don't like this low. I mean, I don't like this right here. I mean, yeah. So even though we got our reaction of this was the reaction of the 4 hour, yeah. So we got our reaction of the fair value gap. Then, oh my god, are you kidding me? I was about to take the shorts here, dude. I was just about to take shorts the last day. Here, man. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. And then it went all the way the fuck. Oh my god. And then yeah, okay, yeah, but yeah, I don't know what kind of price action is this, bro. But whatever, we don't care about that. Let's go into the chart. So I'm not really going to look. This is the previous day high. Right here. But I mean, I'm not gonna look that. I am not long. I am not going to look for that as a target because I don't think they'll this. I mean, we're bullish right now. I mean, this is very close for price, so I could target this high here, which is the intermediate high. Yes. But let's see. So 1 hour, I'm bullish, disrespecting bearish, respecting bullish. Even though we are reaction here, that was long ago, and right now we're delivering from the sell side. So go ahead. We're entering this 1 hour for value gap right here, so we should respect that. Here on ES, same stuff really. I believe. Yeah, value gap that it should get respected towards the high. If not, then I'm not really sure what to do. So let's see if we got any London session highs or lows. And the lows or highs. So yeah, I'm just gonna look for it on the lows. I'm not gonna mark any HS highs or any of that bullshit because that's way too far here. So yeah, I'm not gonna look for that unless price give me an confirmation to that liquidity. So on the low. Okay. So I want a price to just really leave this roll gap here and then inverse. That's really what I want to. What I want to see these days just come here, inverse this value gap, and then go not to the high. Oh yeah, it's previous day high. That's it. That's very much in my bias. Really simple. I want the inversion of this value gap right here, and that's it. Towards previous day high. I mean, no, not towards the internal high here. That's my draw on the day. Very obvious draw right now. This one's really obvious, but I mean, since we have all this movement all time high, and then we're doing so. I mean, this could be a break-even point, really. But let's see. But I don't really like. If I get a good art towards Thursday, I'll leave runners for sure. I'll leave runners. So let's see what price ends up doing. Hey, didn't even give me a chance to react. Really, so it just inverses this 5 minute for value. I mean, no, there wasn't any 5 minute for value yet. So just swept previous day highs. So internal high just got swept. Price didn't came to balance this 5 minute, but whatever. So yeah, respecting this 1 hour for value gap. So let's see what price keeps doing. Let's see if it lifts out. Okay, for value gap here. So I want to see price trading into that. Okay, we're able to hit it. Let's slow down this stuff. Let's see if price. Okay, no, we just inverted everything. Okay, now we have this. No, we don't have yet anything. Okay, yeah, so price is completely bullish, no doubting that. We're gonna go towards that previous day, I mean internal high, no doubts, maybe even previous day highs. I mean, yeah, shit, I haven't got any entries till now. I just want to see fair value I can feel. Okay, so we're gonna get a fair value up here. Getting filled. Even though we still got that 1 minute, but I don't believe price will go on the. Okay, let's see if price finally wants to inverse, and then balance price action. Patience is key, and I mean, shit, it's looking like my target is gonna get taken. It's looking like it. I mean, ES already took it. It's gonna take it. Yeah, just take it. So no trades on this day, really. I mean, no further here, not that I could see. So yeah, I mean, yeah, no trades here. I mean, just straight into the point. I mean, yeah, we didn't came into anything here really. No fair value gaps filled. No, didn't even touch this order blocks. So yeah, nothing for the day. So yeah, my draw from but good bias for the day. Good bias. The bias was right, and then yeah, price respected this for value gap. So, and then I didn't check for the 15 minute. Could have checked, but yeah, no, nothing in the 5 minute either. So we got this 15 minute on field heat. Oh no, it's right here on field 2. I could look for shorts even though my target is already hit. Could look for shorts here. No. 15 minute on field, but it have to be like a very good short. Let's see what price ends up doing. So I gotta wait for the inversion of this fair value got here, which I don't think it would. Well, maybe. Okay, so let's see. Let's wait for this 5 minute inversion. 3 minute candlestick. No, it respected. Dang it. So yeah, I gotta wait for another candlestick to form and respect it again. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, it seems like price wants to go balance there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a trade, I think, here. So short. Go ahead and short this. We just swept these highs. Equal highs here. I really don't like that, but negative RR. We have to move my stop. Oh no, yeah. 1-to-1 here. I think I'll move my stop here. He's got the inversion of this 5 minute, so that would leads me to believe this is not a very good trade, but I think I'm willing to take it, really, because I mean, let's see. So we just swept this high. All right, yeah, swept of this high in both indexes, and then we're getting an inversion here, and we swept this high. What that leads me to believe that we could come and balance at least till this 15 minute probably up that hasn't been balanced yet. So yeah, this is a very strong draw on liquidity. So yeah, just swept liquidity. It's really reacting to that. So yeah, if we just inverted the 5 minute, I mean, price action is being kind of choppy here. Yeah, it's kind of being very choppy. What time is it? It is 10:40. I mean, yeah, this is looks like a clean setup for the model I trade. So let's go ahead and place order 0.5. Okay. And I'll go break even right here. And say same stuff here. Break even here. So let's see what price ends up doing. Did not reach my break even point, so let's see. Okay, break even now. It's gonna break even me, right? Let's see. So let's see if I could stop break even. Let's go. Target. So came back for last trade. Good draw on liquidity, really. So draw on liquidity, it's being hit. So I think I won't take more trades. So right here, let me just drone all this. Let me just drone all this trade. Give me 1 second. So a good trade, not that bad. Not the best trade, but I mean, sweep all the liquidity version of 5 minute fair value gap. I think that's enough for me to take a trade. Even though my psychology is really bad right now. What time is it? Damn, 8. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to the next trading day. I'm not gonna leave this in break even. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Won't leave this shit in break even. Let's see what I end up doing. Oh yeah, so it end up reversing. Whatever. I don't care anymore. Next day open. Holy fuck, dude. What a fucking next day open. So, what in the fuck? So, price just came, swept all-time high. So now this is all-time highs, which really sucks. But it is what it is. I wanted to take a trade towards all-time highs, but nothing to do there. Nothing to do there. So let's see here. So we got this gap, which hasn't been closed at all yet. Is there new? If there's a high impact news, I'm not gonna trade this day. Tuesday, June 17. Oh my god. Next day. Oh my fucking god. Wait, when you I can see because of my fucking camera. Come on. If I turn off the camera, oh there you go. June 17 news. Retail sales control which um it shouldn't like yeah, it shouldn't affect much. I mean it already came out, the news. See, 8:30. And then it didn't do shit, just this week, that's it. Yeah, I mean I wouldn't want to trade this day, man. I mean just kind of what you have to do. So let me just hide the news. I'm really tired though. I don't want to trade this day, but should be able to. I mean, to trade every single day. Okay, so bias is really fucking tricky. Right now we're disrespecting anything. We're delivering towards the buy side. We're delivering towards the buy side. So that leads me to believe that we're gonna be bearish until this gap right here. Huge for. I mean, yeah, I mean, fucking huge gap here. So we gotta close that gap. 100%, no doubt. So this is gonna be a magnet price, and damn, so price just fucking over up here. That's crazy. So we gotta close this gap completely. Until here, or at least here. So yeah, I'm gonna be bearish for the day. Fucking extremely high volatility. We got all-time highs here, which of course I won't trade towards that. I mean, I don't think price will make another. I mean, so overextended. 4 hour. So overextended. I mean, there's a huge value gap here. Huge value gap here under that. We haven't tapped into equilibrium since this movement, even though it was just the last day. But I mean, yeah, I mean, we should come at least to equilibrium. So let's see if I want to balance the price range, or you would want to come and balance this gap. So let's see what we have here. So London lows are right here. Asia. Nice. So This is going to be Asia highs. So I want to see price go to these Asia session highs, maybe get an SMT and then inverse from that. So let's see. I'm really fucking tired. I don't really want to trade anymore. Really. So we got these equal lows right here, relative equal lows. So if I'm gonna, damn dude, I'm so tired. I'm break even, so I don't have to be worried about anything right now. So what do I want to see now? I want to see the inversion of this fair value gap. No, yeah, I mean, I don't want to go towards it. I just want to see a open high, low close, the power of 3. So I want to see price opening here and then sweeping any kind of high. Will be this internal high right here. My God, why don't I save that, dude? Internal high here. That I want to see getting swept. Oh yeah, let's see what price ends up doing. Good. Seeing any 15-minute fair value gap. So we got no 15-minute fair value gap. I mean this one, but it's already filled. See here, and yes, no one filled. Okay, so yeah, no 15-minute fair value gaps. I mean, we got this one that just got respected. I mean, yeah, we do have this one. On ES I got respected, but let's see on ES. Okay, so swap of this high. What a fucking huge candlestick. And then I mean, so we just swap this high. We're not getting an SNT. We got these London lows here sitting out. Then right now, if I can see the inversion of this fair value gap, then I'm willing to take a trade. I believe we just got the swap of this liquidity. Let's see if we leave a 5-minute fair value gap, that's even better. Okay, no. Okay, so no fair value gaps right here, right now, or okay, yeah, fair value gap in the 5 minutes. So I want to see that getting inversed. What a fucking ass closure. Yeah, I mean the fucking worst closure ever for the 5 minute. So I will have to wait right now. I mean, let me see. Maybe I can take a trade. So I wanna target that London session lows right here. Stop. Here. No. Negative R. That sucks. I gotta wait. Unfortunate. Gotta wait. So let's see. I gotta wait for a retracement. So to the 4 minute. Okay. Retracement. Let's see if this. There 3 minute. No, not yet. I mean. Okay. Shit. Why did I play? I didn't want to play price action, dude. Enter. Okay, so we got the disrespect of this 5 minute fair value gap, the inversion right here. We tap into 4 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute. So we tap into this 2 minute fair value gap. see if we can invert this fair value gap, and then that could be my trade toward this London session lows. Let's see. Fuck no. Oh fuck no, dude. What is this price action? So it's going to the upside again. Crazy stuff. Yeah, really. It's just tomorrow there's the news, right? 17 June. Yeah, next day is fucking everything, man. Oh my fucking god, dude. Let's see if we can get an SMT with Asia session highs. That would be great. That can be great. Nah, bro. Nasdaq is, I mean, NQ, ES is such a bitch. It didn't. It left equal highs. You bitch. Scary bitch. Nah, what a fucking bitch, dude. Okay, so no key levels, honestly. Like, there's nothing. Yeah, there's no key level, no fair value gap in the 15 minute, no fair values in the 5 minute, and then no liquidity sweep of this high. I mean, bro, like, what the fuck? You're gonna be kidding me, bro. Okay, let's see if ES wanna take that high. Finally, okay. So, so since, I mean, yeah, tomorrow is a very tricky bias, really. 5 minute for value gap, 4 minute no for value gaps, 3 minute. Okay, let's see if we can get an inversion now. Nope. Price is gonna go and take Asia highs too. No, bro. I'm clicking this shit. No, I don't wanna limit sell. I don't wanna sell anything, bro. So take the high. Okay. Let's trade it here into this gap. Okay, so we just traded into this 30-minute gap, and then swap all this liquidity that was resting above. Maybe I could get a reversal now. Not sure. And I gotta check for 15-minute fair value gap, which I haven't yet. Yeah, no, 15-minute fair value gap. Neither here. Okay, so I want to see inversion right here. Oh, 4 minute. See if we can erase this gap. We just have all this liquidity. See here. 5 minute. 4 minute. 5 minute. 5 minute. Didn't left any fair value gap, so I gotta say the 4 minute. See if we get a closure below that. Right now it's holding. Keeps holding. And it fucking spikes the shit. I think, wait, was there fuck, bro, I don't know how much time was left in that candlestick. Why doesn't it show me the time? I believe that was like the last push, right? Okay, so I believe I could short this now. This leaves me. So we swept this high and then got the inversion in the high time frame fair value gap. So that leads me to believe that if we're gonna be very gonna go here and then yeah, target this low. And I could even target these London session lows right here. Because we got that, and we got the gap. Even I could even target this gap, but I want to see a reversion and into that London session lows. So, or should I close here? Yeah, I'm gonna close here. I believe this is the last. I believe that was the last push, bro. How can I mean, wait. This candle from 24 to 28. So now it have to be 32. 32, yeah. That was last push. 32? Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. So closure below, place order. So we swept this high, whatever, blah blah blah. Watch talking. It didn't fill me yet. I'm short, right? Why it haven't filled me yet? Why does it have not filled yet? Oh, this is just my entry. Do I have the open position? Oh yeah, yeah. It's open. Yeah, yeah. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Oh, let's see if we get any version, or we're just gonna get fucked by the market. Let me split this a bit. Oh my god. Shouldn't be saying that on whatever. Let's see if that gets respected. Dude, yeah. Yeah, I'm done, dude. I'm done. I'm fucking done. Negative day. First negative day since like 3 episodes, so I'm not gonna be mad. Ah, dude. Oh my god, I'm so hate trading, bro. I can't believe that I go frustration over frustration. If I just taken the trade the day I missed, like I was on Friday on the back testing, bro. Yeah, man, fucking hate that shit, man. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. So negative on the day, man. Negative on the day. Let's watch the analytics. So yeah, I mean, also in a pretty good winning streak here. No wait. I don't know, man. I mean, -6%. You gotta be kidding me, bro. Yeah, I mean, my god. I lost here. I mean, lost. I mean, one here, lost, one, lost, one, lost. Break even pretty much, I believe. No, cause I don't know what. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have to focus on this. That's just gonna fuck my psychology more. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. Negative on the day. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna leave it there. See you tomorrow. Hopefully, tomorrow I'm feeling better. Oh, bro, I'm just so stressed out. Thank you for watching. But I had to try, bro. Like I had to try. My win rate have fucking increased, I believe. Win rate 20 is it still sucks, but so yeah, hopefully tomorrow better day, bro. I'm so stressed out. Let me go to the fucking. Thank you for watching, guys. See you.